Hey guys, it's Sarah, and I'm going to be teaching you 10.6 common and natural logarithms and change of base. Hey guys, okay, I'm going to be teaching you about 10.6. So first of all, there are two types of logarithms, common logarithms and natural logarithms. First, we're going to talk about common logarithms. So first of all, we have the problem log 15. So if you go to your calculator, there should be a button that says log. Then you can put in the number 15, enter, and it gives you your answer, approximately 1.176, and we're going to round up 1. Log x means log base 10 x. So now we're going to evaluate common logarithms of power of 10. So log 100 is understood as log base 10 to 100. The base 10 is understood. So now to find log 100, we need to think 10 to what power gives us 100? We know that 10 to the second power gives us 100. So log 100 is equal to 2. Okay, so now we have a few more questions. So log 10,000. So the base 10 is understood. So 10 to what power gives us 10,000? 10 to the fourth power gives us 10,000. So the answer is 4. We can also check this on our calculator by putting log 10,000, 4. There you go. Okay, so our next question, log 1/10. So we know that the base of 10 is understood. We don't need to put it there, it's fine. So 10 to what power gives us 1/10? Well, we know that is -1. And you can check it on your calculator. -1. So next we have log square root of 10. So we know we have a 2 here, so that means log square root of 10 is equal to 1/2. We can also check this on our calculator. Log square root of 10.5 or 1/2. So we can also have common logarithms and equations we're solving. So log 3x is equal to 2.1. We're solving for x. Since there is no base there, we assume that it is log base 10 3x. Now we're going to write this as an equivalent exponential. So it is 10 to this power, 2.1, and this is equal to 3x. Now let's focus on this side. How do we get x by itself? Because we're solving for x. We divide by 3. And if you do it on your calculator, you'll figure out that it's 41.94 is equal to x. So now we're going to talk about the other type of logarithms, which is natural log. So on your calculator, you should have a button right here, ln, that is natural log. So we're going to solve natural log 9. So what should you there? Push your natural log button, 9. It gives you the answer, approximately 2.1972. Natural logarithm x means log base e x. So now we're going to evaluate natural logarithms of power of e. So we have natural log e squared. So we know this is equal to log base e of e squared. So base e raised to what power gives us e squared? That would be 2. So natural log e squared is equal to 2. So now we have a couple practice problems. So first we have natural log e raised to the 4th power is equal to 4. For our second practice problem, we have natural log cube root e. We can write natural log as log base e, and we can write the cube root of e as e to the 1/3 power. So now, e to what power gives us 1/3? That would be 1/3. Find the amount owed at the end of 4 years if $2,400 is borrowed at a rate of 6% compounded continuously. So for this problem, we're going to use the formula A is equal to PE raised to the RT, where P is the amount borrowed, which is $2,400. R is the interest rate, which is 6%. And T is the time in years, which is 4 years. Now we're going to plug all that information into our equation. So A is equal to 2,400 E raised to the 0.06 times 4. Now we're going to plug this into our calculator and solve. So it's going to be equal to 2,400 E raised to the 0.24th power. Now we're going to plug this in to our calculator. So 2,400. Now there's E button right here. It might be different on your calculator, but we're going to push that. Raised to the 0.24th power, which is going to give us our answer. So A is approximately $3,051. So now we're going to talk about the change of base formula. The change of base formula is log base B A is equal to log base C A over log base C B. So we're going to start out with log base 4 of 9. So using the change of base formula, we're going to write this as log 9 over log 4. Now we're going to use our calculator to figure out the answer. Log 9 over log 4. That makes it approximately 1.585. So now we're going to do one more practice problem using the change of base formula. So we have log base 8 of 5. So using the change of base formula, we're going to write this as log 5 over log 8. Now using our calculator, we're going to figure it out. So log 5 over log 8. So we have approximately 0.774. So that is it for 10.6. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. See you guys later.